Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with the Microsoft account that controls family safety. This is essential because removal requires manager privileges. Once done, make sure Windows is up to date and that you're on the PC where the family group was created. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Family. This shows all linked members and parental controls. Now pick the child or member you intend to remove. You're taking away the connection, not just a local profile, so be deliberate about which account you select. Once you select the member, click Remove or Manage to begin the deletion. The app may redirect you to Account. Microsoft. COM for confirmation. You should confirm the removal online because family safety changes propagate through Microsoft's cloud. After confirming, make sure to sign that person out of any devices using that Microsoft account so restrictions no longer apply. If it's a child, transfer ownership or update supervision settings first. Otherwise, removing them could disrupt access unexpectedly. To finish, verify the member no longer appears in Settings Accounts Family and check the Microsoft account dashboard to confirm deletion. Restart the affected devices to ensure screen time limits and content filters are cleared. If restrictions persist, sign the user out and back in, then recheck. One key troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, use Account. Microsoft. com/family in a browser to remove the member directly, and next, clear credentials in Windows Credential Manager. If that still doesn't work, contact Microsoft support for account-level assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.